right, new year, new sound. Maybe you get more emotion. I really don't know what they're putting the water in the UK, but I like what's coming out of there, man. But we still gotta pay homage to the classics, right? Deep dish, oh my god. I have analog synths, and lately I've been putting them to use to create bass lines like this one for you guys. With AI coming, and with all the countless Serum 2 presets out there, I always ask myself, how can I provide something to you guys that's different? At least provides a different flavor. It's not that analog is better than digital. It's all about providing that option. FM style bass lines are also coming in. If you've been seeking a different style of bassline for your tech house or minimal house tracks, I got you. Here's one by Riordan that I really like. Key thing for me is, yes, we can sample a lot of these basslines because this genre is very sampled, but for me, it's like paying homage, right? You learn from the past. You don't peak in the past. You don't peak in high school. You use that to kind of move forward and innovate on what they've done. Learning the process of it allows me to provide different flavors that are similar to it, but can be a little bit more unique. Now, some people like Dior, but I like Prada. Oh, let's get spicy with this one. This is one of the ones that sampled from some of the stuff over there to give you, again, access to a different tone. It's the same proven to work sound that Josh Baker uses, but now it has its own flavor. Because if people ask, yo, man, it sounds kind of like Josh Baker, you go, yeah, you know, but I kind of reworked it a bit and made it my own, man. Now, Minimal Nights Volume 3 is going to contain bass lines, chord stabs, leads, plucks, all in the style of the UK guys. Some genres also for the breaks, they have these kind of sounds. I really want one of you guys to use this sound, especially the Dusty Shop mod. It's a substance that makes you feel good. This part, one of my favorite sounds. With Serum 2 being out for a while, I really wanted to capture the granular sound of it, but in a cool way that can add to the song rather than just go, oh, cool, granular, and that's it. So this is a good example. For example, we're going to bring this mod up, which activates this. Relax your... It's getting housey, bro. And I had to add this one. The good thing is there was a bunch of guys online debating about how that sound is made, which gave me the tools needed to recreate it. So that was fun. Back to the beat. Very spacey sounds. Very nasty bass lines that are a little bit more defined. Because in my mind, when I make these sounds, my hope is that you grab them and you infuse it with what you already do best. Maybe the sounds can work in a break. You can infuse it with your drop elements that you usually go for. At the end of the day, that's the beauty of music, is that you can mix and match different sounds, different genres to create new things that are still familiar but fresh to your listeners. I like this one a lot. The Dean Brothers, man. I'm no hater, man, but goddamn, they're fucking go. You can't get me out of your mind. Oh, girl, you got me going insane. Got really nice acid bass sound. Now, Chris Stussy has been on a little bit of a hiatus, but it's all good. I'm pretty sure he's making bangers. Oh, I love that cocaine knob. Ooh. Now, this particular patch is inspired by the Roland style JB 1080 synths, where it's a combination of an organic sound with a spectral wavetable sound as a layer, which sounds like this. You can see what it adds. It adds a nice mystical flow to the sound, and that's the power of it. I wanted to remake this one because this track went viral on TikTok, which I believe is inspired by one of Donna Summer's tracks, which was produced by Giorgio Moroder. But it's a really cool sound with just a nice 80s flavor to it. Cool thing about presets, right, is if you use the sound, it's kind of like, okay, it sounds exactly like JAMBACK. However, having the programming, what you can do is start to switch maybe some of the waves to change the tone of the sound. Or use the sound as a starting point, because presets, while yeah, you can use them as they are, a lot of the times they're really good starting points that you can take further in order to create something that feels more yours. If you guys already know this sound, well, I made it using Serum 2, and now you guys can learn from it and see how I programmed it in order to get it to sound that way. I've been working on this pack for a while, guys, and it's finally done, and you guys can check it out at evilsounds.com. It's going to be a total of over 100 and Serum 2 presets, all in the style of Chris Stussy, Josh Baker, Max Dean, Luke Dean, MK. I took a lot of inspiration from them to make sounds that I know will work for your music. Proven to work sounds from proven to work track. My goal is all about making music writing for you have less friction, so that when you have the time to make music, you create a lot more bomb ideas because you have bomb sounds to get inspired. By the time you watch this video, it's already the new year, so I hope that you guys enjoyed it with loved ones, and I want to thank you guys for the support these past 10 years. So with that being said, use me, guys. Use me in anywhere form you want. See you guys for another one. Take care, and you guys have a great rest of your day.